ElevenLabs just did something nobody saw coming. They went from being the voice AI company to a full video production platform overnight. I'm talking images, videos, audio, sound effects, music, everything in one place. This isn't just an update. This is them declaring war on every other AI video tool out there. And honestly, they might actually win. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Joseph, and today we're diving into something that's going to completely change how you see this topic. Let's get into it. So let me break down what just happened. ElevenLabs dropped their image and video update, and it's not just some half-baked feature they slapped on. They built an entire unified creative workflow that lets you generate visuals, refine them, add voiceovers, layer in music and sound effects, and edit everything without ever leaving their platform. You don't need 3 different tools anymore. You don't need to export and import files between apps. Everything happens in one place. Now here's where it gets wild. They didn't just add one video model, they added 5. Veo, Sora, Kling, Wan, and Seedance. Each one does something different. And on the image side, they've got Nano Banana, Flux Context, GPT Image, and Seed Ream. You're not stuck with one style or one approach. You get options, real options. Let me talk about these models for a second because this is where things get interesting. Veo is a latent diffusion model that can synthesize video and audio from text or image prompts. It's high quality, it's flexible. You give it a prompt, it gives you cinematic results. Then there's Seedance. This one's optimized for speed. It supports text to video and image to video. You can do multi-shot generation. If you're someone who needs fast turnaround on video content, this is your go-to. Wan is the cost-effective beast. Native audio generation, lip sync, realistic motion. And it won't drain your credits like some of these other models do. If you're on a budget but still want quality, Wan's your friend. Kling is built for avatars and character-style videos. Long duration animation, advanced instruction guidance. If you're creating anything with digital characters or avatars, this is the model you want. And here's the thing, you're not locked into one workflow. You can jump between models depending on what you need. Testing different styles? Easy. Want to see how your concept looks with a cinematic vibe versus a realistic one? Done. This level of flexibility is insane. But it's not just about generating stuff, it's what you can do after. You can refine your visuals. You can upscale them for higher quality. You can add expressive voiceovers using ElevenLabs' massive voice library or your own cloned voice. You can compose background music and sound effects inside their studio. You've got timeline editing where you align voice, sound effects, and music with precise control. You can auto-generate captions for accessibility and reach, and they support over 32 languages for voices. And if you want to automate your entire sales process and stop manually handling every single lead, visit logicbuilder.ai. We help entrepreneurs build and manage automated AI systems that turn conversations into clients. No more missed follow-ups, no more lost opportunities, just AI working around the clock to close deals while you focus on growing your business. So back at it. Now let's talk about who this is for. Creators and filmmakers can use this for concept videos, animatics, storyboarding. You don't need a full production crew to visualize your ideas anymore. Marketers can generate ad content and social media clips and campaign visuals in a fraction of the time it used to take. Content teams can manage full production inside one tool, no more bouncing between apps. Podcasters and audiobook authors can turn audio into animated visuals with captions and video assets. The use cases are endless. And here's why this update is such a big deal. This is the first time ElevenLabs is fully multimodal. It's not just audio anymore, it's image, video, and audio in one workflow. That's a massive evolution. They're not just improving what they do, they're expanding into entirely new territory. They've got strong AI models built in with Veo, Sora, Kling, Wan, and Seedance. They're covering a range of styles. Cinematic, realistic, avatar, expressive, you name it, they've got a model for it, and the production process is streamlined. Instead of using 3 or more tools, you do it all in ElevenLabs. That's huge for creators and marketers who are already juggling 10 different platforms. Time saved is money earned. For teams and solo creators, this gives you creative power at scale. You can generate concepts, storyboard, rough out video, then polish it with voice and sound effects all in one place. That's the kind of efficiency that used to require an entire production team. And by offering these high-quality video models, ElevenLabs is pushing into a space that's currently dominated by other video model providers. They're not just playing defense, they're going on offense. This is a power move. Now, let's be real. This is still in beta. That means there might be bugs, there might be limitations. The generation cost for video can be high. Based on what people are saying on Reddit, video generation isn't free. You're paying for those credits, especially with the more advanced models. So if you're planning to go all in, factor that into your budget. Export quality and formats might have some restrictions depending on your plan. And each model has strengths and weaknesses: motion, prompt fidelity, consistency. They're not all perfect, but that's why having 5 models matters. If one doesn't nail it, you try another. Here's why this matters long term. This brings them into direct competition with other AI video platforms. That's a huge move. It opens up new possibilities for solo creators, small teams, and marketers. As the beta improves, they'll probably add more models, more control, more creative freedom, and that means you'll have even more tools to work with. This could democratize video production. You don't need a big studio anymore. You don't need expensive equipment. You just need AI, a prompt, and ElevenLabs. That's it. That's the barrier to entry now, and that's going to change everything. Think about what this means for content creation. Right now, if you want to make a high-quality video, you need a camera, lighting, editing software, sound design tools, music licensing, and a lot of time. With this update, you can generate a video from scratch, add professional voiceovers, layer in music and sound effects, and have a finished product in a fraction of the time. That's not just convenient. That's revolutionary. And the lip sync feature? Game changer. Your generated video can match speech and narration using ElevenLabs voices. That means your avatars and characters actually look like they're talking. No more janky mouth movements, no more awkward syncing in post. It just works. The upscaling feature is also huge. You can improve resolution and fidelity. So even if your first generation isn't perfect, you can refine it, you can make it better. You're not stuck with whatever the model spits out first. And the shareable project links? Genius. You can share drafts with teammates or clients. You can collaborate in real time. You can get feedback without exporting a million versions and emailing them back and forth. Everything lives in the platform. So what should you do with this? If you're a creator or marketer, you need to try this. Sign up for the beta test out Veo, Sora, Wan Seedance. See which models fit your style. Start with simple prompts. Upscale your results. Add voiceovers. Make something cinematic. So here's my challenge to you. Think about what you'd create with this. An explainer video, an animation, an ad campaign, a storyboard for your next big project. Whatever it is, the tools are here. The platform is ready. All you need to do is start. And if you want to automate your entire sales process and stop manually handling every single lead, visit logicbuilder.ai. We help entrepreneurs build and manage automated AI systems that turn conversations into clients. No more missed follow-ups. No more lost opportunities. Just AI working around the clock to close deals while you focus on growing your business. That's it for today. Hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next one.